Hi everyone, welcome to the Insightful ED. Today we are going to differentiate between the post and the pages in a WordPress website. So first we have pages. Pages are basically the static content on your website, which also represents the main content for your website. And also they do not change frequently over the time. So they are not timed. For example, we have this privacy policy in sample page, which is a default pages, but there are other examples like about us page, contact page, and a home page you will create for your website. And on the other hand, if we go to the posts are basically the blog content and the news update on your website. Examples, you can create a post for tutorials and also news articles and any other different types. And this is a default post which comes with the installation. And the main difference is also between them is that the post comes with a date, and there will be always a date attached with it, which you can also see on the front end with a blog post. And they appear in chronological order, which means usually newest to oldest on the website. So this is the basic difference between them, which summarizes the pages are mainly the static content and the posts are dynamic in nature on your website. And also you can see the categories in the post because you can group them into categories, but with the pages there is no category attached with it. So this is also one of the major difference between them. So I hope you understand the basic difference between two and use it accordingly. So I hope this video will help you to create your first WordPress website. We'll meet in next video.